Hello from Slovenia again. I just want to show you the dry result of this kind of Nemo flower. I like it, but it's not completely like I want it to be, so I will do another one with similar colors and see if I will get maybe a little different result. So this is cerulean blue. And next will be the bronze, metallic bronze, but I want to do a little less of this bronze. And next is burnt sienna. And orange red. Oops. And pearl white. And manganese blue. And my spiral is not looking what I was hoping for. Sometimes I just can't do nice spiral. Just move this a little bit. Sorry. this is completely different than the other one, but I have lost a lot of my pearl white. You see how different this cane came out. Just have to grab a skewer. I probably shouldn't have put my white next to orange, but I can decide. I still kind of like it. I will show you a close-up. Still kind of cute flower, I don't know. I'm just experimenting with some different color combinations, so tell me what you think about it. I still must say that I kind of like it. I don't know, like this combination. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.